Let me show you how you can achieve this write-on effect, or popularly known as the typewriter effect, in DaVinci Resolve. Let's run it. When you get into your timeline, go onto the Effects tab, Titles, and drag this Text Plus effect onto the timeline. While in the timeline, type out your preferred text. For me, I'll go with the text here, and then change the font to your preferred one. I like using Impact. Then resize it a bit so that you can get to see the effect. While you're in this space, scroll down. You'll get to see this write-on effect. This is the one that we're going to be using. So take your playhead and place it to where you want the text to start. Then place a keyframe there and slide it all the way up to 0. Then move it ahead to where you want the text to appear, and then slide it back to 1. If we move this back, then you can see the effect. There we have it. So that is how you achieve the typewriter effect in DaVinci Resolve. See you in the next one. Ciao.
Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1.